So what we're doing is this is the 13.3 inch, which is approximately 11.5 by 6.5 inches. And this is the program to operate it instead of the SLM as the image sequencer in the program. Okay, let me move over here.
Sure.
Get closer to the screen here. All right.
Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do is right click on the desktop, which there's a little small space up here that I can do that for. And I'm going to click display settings.
Yes.
And so that'll let us see my computer monitor, number one on the laptop, and two is the LCD itself. Right now it's in a vertical orientation in portrait mode.
Mm-hmm.
So you scroll down to display orientation, you can change that to landscape. And so this orientation will basically allow you to switch between LCD and SLM as
this is on
as
Windows
needed.
10.
Right.
Yeah. Should be the same on Windows 11. But...
Yes. And so, and this is for, yeah, like you said, the 13.3 inch display. And so now I'm going to go to, let's see, the software itself, load in the Peter Moore folder.
Do this slowly.
Okay.
Go back.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah.
Okay, so load in by, wait a minute, let me get focused here. Okay, so you go to File.
Mm-hmm. File, Open.
Open.
Mm-hmm. And then
Okay.
I'm going to Peter Moore JPEG.
Okay.
I'm selecting that folder.
Okay.
That's going to Image Sequence tab. And then...
Wait a minute. Where did the image sequence tab come from?
It's just up here, so along this area here. So you have SLM, Move Home tab, and then Image Sequence.
Okay, gotcha.
And LCD you're going to want to ignore because this is slit related
Right, okay.
to the LCD. But now that we reoriented the frame, like I said, you can use this to preview what's going to be on the SLM, which is going to be horizontally oriented, or on the LCD.
Okay, so quick question. So when you selected the file, or the folder, you selected, what did you select? The folder or an image?
The folder itself, right?
Folder
the
itself,
folder with
okay.
all the images
Gotcha.
in there.
Okay, okay.
So now, of course, you can scrub here and preview the image sequence, or
Right.
look at the LCD screen itself, and you'll see as I scrub, the image changes as well, just as it would on the SLM.
Right, okay. Sounds good. Okay. We're going to come back here. Is that really it?
That's pretty much it, yeah.
Okay. Now, or rotating them. What were you doing with the rotation? You were saying it expects to see a...
Right. So if instead of horizontally oriented, being horizontally oriented for the LCD screen,
Right.
if it was vertical, then you would have to adjust this image in Photoshop. You would have to rotate it. Instead of having a 1920 by 1080 image, you would need a 1080 by 1920 image.
Right.
So that it would display, it would still display what would appear as a horizontal image, but the aspect ratio is going to change slightly.
So it'll be squeezed.
Right.
Right, okay. And that's it?
That's it.
Okay. Awesome. And how do I get it to sequence with the shutter and everything?
It's the same.
It's the same.
Yeah, it's the same,
Same as the
functionality.
videos that we did before. Okay.
Exactly.
Gotcha. Okay. Nothing has changed.
Right.
Okay. Is this a new version of the software?
Yes. This is 1.0.5. So this has an update to OpenCV. OpenCV is now version 4.9.0. Previously it was 4.8.1.
Okay. Is that built into the program?
It is.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll give you a copy.